Today I want to try something different. This is called rattan webbing. I think most of you guys have seen different furnitures of how webbing is done. The old system is by taking mattings with different types of patterns like webbing, herringbone, and mesh. But today we are doing something different. We are not going to use matting. What you are going to do is simply web rattan using the round cane. So this will take you into the intricate process of how we have it done. This is a different design that we've never done before. But you want to see if you will manage to successfully web on this frame. Thank you so much, guys. We appreciate the engagement of you watching our videos. So these are one of the first steps that we are going to do and show you. So this will be part one of an upscale product of weaving on a metal chair frame. Yeah, so we managed to weld the frame and have it done as it is. So right now we are starting to do the webs at the bottom of the chair, just like how you're seeing. This is not an easy process as we've been doing before. Notice how the weaver prepares to web the furniture. So today we are going to do two levels of two levels of webs on the bottom, and then we are going to add another, like, let's say 4 levels of webs. So what is doing there, that is the armrest. Notice how it takes into shape and how complicated as it gets. That's the armrest that we are trying to web. You can see there are 4 different parts. At the bottom we had 3 webs. So on the armrest we'll have like 4. This is just part 1 of the video. Notice how beautiful it looks. It takes a lot to bring this chair to the way it is. So this is the first part of the video. We'll share the next one. Thank you so much. Kindly like and subscribe.